Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to regenerate the DPF using VCDS. So, engine control mode. We are going to coding 2. Two 1 2 9 5. Do it. Now we are start driving. We are start driving in fourth or fifth gear according with specification till the particle filter load coefficient is coming to 0. When the particle filter load coefficient is coming to 0, the light for the particle filter is turning off. So follow the procedure you can make the regeneration driving smoothly. If the information was useful for you, please subscribe.